Say, I come in, man, I come in. I come in, no hole in the horses. What is going on here? Hello, my people. You remember me? How are you doing, my friends? Well, if you don't know me, my name is Titus William Wisdom. But you can call me Tighty.
Why? Why for that?
What do you mean by why? What does that mean?
No, Grandpa, nobody not call you
But Tighty is my
name. Nobody
name.
not call you Tighty.
You cannot tell me not to. You cannot tell me not to use that word. You cannot tell me not to use Tighty. You see, this is the problem I have with these young people, you know. So that is what I want to talk about today. My words of wisdom found today, you see, is my older people. Motherfucker, I can't even see my grandson tell me that this glass is going to give me a buzz. I can't see a thing, and my glass is going to get checked. So let me put this down because I don't plan to blind to them. So these young people have all these terms, yes. You have one where every time you see me come at the house, walk one broke, walk one chap. I don't know what him talking about. No, I have to ask him one day what brogan mean. Him says it's a catchphrase. Even the Prime Minister named Honorable Brogan. But I want to give a word of wisdom to the older people among us, those who are in my age group, and who are worrying about understanding what these young people are saying, and feel like you can't really catch up with them. I'm sweating like a hog. I want to give you some catchphrases. You remember one time we used to say everything hairy, or we say everything good, everything hairy. Well, these young people nowadays I talk about everything govern. Them say everything govern and all these things. Well, two catchphrases I want to give you to use to describe a fellow man, but also to use to describe situations. So the first one is that everything chims. So, wait, let me mix them up. So the first one is everything grip. So, you might wonder what that means. No, remember we used to in the airport and we used to carry grip. These young people don't know about grip, you know. But that's not what I talk about alone. We also talk about the grip. We have to go in the dentures, you know, that's it, the fixer dental, see the way you use it to have a grip on the teeth. So whenever a situation comes to you and they want to know if everything alright, tell them everything grip. Because everything lacking, you don't know. So the next one I want to tell you now about is what going bad chims? So you might wonder what bad chims mean. Well, chims is a shortening for chimney.
You serious?
You might say, why don't I call people chimney? Remember, chimney was your best friend at night. Now, young people they don't know about chimney, you know. Chimney was your best friend at night. When you want people, you can't reach your bathroom. Someone who still have it and down the bed is full right now. So when you see your best friend, what you call him? Bad chims. Cause him bad like yours. Oi, I want to encourage you to make up on your own terms. Don't depend on them to learn new terms. Make up on your own terms. On the very industrious, use on your own terms. And I hope to see you in the next one on YouTube. But talking about YouTube, my grandson have this YouTube channel running. And him been very lit. In video them very litty. It's litty. In video them is very litty. Them have a pause. Him have this series called Jesus Stuff, and he been going really good with it. When we impersonate all of these artists in the gospel. But him only have 46 subscribers. I can't believe when I go up on the page the other day. But my iPhone 12, you know, so I make on to iPhone 12 now. But make up on my iPhone 12. And make up on him YouTube page, you know. Dextazlab it name.
Yeah, Grandpa, Dextazlab.
He named Dextazlab. And I see 46 subscribers. Let me tell you something. Don't make me have to go for the Jenna them to come for you, you know. You know, subscribe to him page. Run it up. Run up him page. Make him go on a shock. That's how I have to tell you. These are words of wisdom from Tighty.